Welcome to this Vocabulary Worksheet Factory 5 video. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to work with templates. I'm going to save a template and then use that template to create a vocabulary document. A template can be a really useful thing to use when creating vocabulary documents. If you have a variety of customized templates available to you, you can very quickly create really good looking vocabulary worksheets. You could do something similar with just a saved document. But there's always the danger that you'll forget to use the Save As function instead of Save, and that original document will be changed. With a template, there's no danger of changing the template document you are working with, as when it opens as a document. Of course, you can update and delete a template, but you can't accidentally change a template. So to get started, I've got a document created here already, and what I've decided to do is create something that I can use as every year for making back to school activities. So I've customized a title group, and that came from the design elements, and I've customized the footer, which I clicked on footer up here to do that customization. So I've customized the footer and the title group the way I'd like them, and now I can save them as a template. So to save that as a template, I click on File and I click on Save As. Now when Save As appears, I have a choice to save as a document or to save as a template, and in this case I'm going to save as a template. And the Add Template dialog appears, and I can now give a name to this template. So I'm going to call it Back to School. And then click OK. And that saves my template. Now this document is still open in front of me, but I don't need it now as I have my template already saved. So I'm just going to go ahead and close that. So now, if I wanted to create a back-to-school vocabulary exercise, I could very quickly find my template and use it to set up a worksheet. So to find that template, I'm going to click on File again, and then New. And when you click on New, well actually New is usually the first dialog or the first tab that comes up. You'll see that there's a variety of templates here already. So there's the New Document template, the blank document template. There's a couple of title group templates that we've done as samples that are included with the latest version, the latest build of Vocabulary Worksheet Factory 5. And then of course here's my newly saved Back to School template. So to use this template, I simply click on it, and now I've got a new document started here with my title group, my customized title group at the top, and my customized title or footer at the bottom. So now I'm ready to add activities. So I could add something like, I don't know, alphabetical order and jumbles, and before I know it, I've got myself a worksheet that I could print off and provide to my students as a back-to-school activity. Of course, I'd probably want to do a little bit of customization on the alphabetical order, maybe just a number of exercises and maybe customize jumbles. But I don't have to do anything to my title group unless I want to, and I don't need to do anything to my footer unless I want to. So you can see that I can very quickly create a vocabulary worksheet with a back-to-school theme by using a template that I created in advance. So thank you for viewing this Vocabulary Worksheet Factory 5 video, and I hope it's given you some ideas for how you can create and use templates when creating vocabulary worksheets.